Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I am Lesley and today I wanted to talk about Maskcara's bronzer, Bella Bronzer, and what the difference is between that and other bronzers that are out there on the market. So I'm so excited you've joined me today. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would love that. All right, let's get started. You know, fall is here. We're losing our tans. We're getting a little pale. So this is the time of year in winter that bronzers are our best friend. Now, one of the things that is great about Maskcara's Bella Bronzer is that it's so highly pigmented. And so a little bit goes a long way. Like I'm telling you, I have two of them together and here's what it looks like. And I think it's probably gonna last me years upon years. I mean, we're talking. So here, let me just take a little bit. A little bit is all you're gonna need. You see that? So that is the Bella Bronzer. Okay, so we're gonna use that in typical bronzer, and I will show you a graphic on that. And you can put the bronzer on the high points of your face. Now, I haven't applied bronzer today. I have applied contour, and I'll also show you a graphic on that, on the differences of application. But bronzer is usually applied like right high point, so it would be right below here, bridge of your nose, right here in the cheekbones, and your chin. So another great thing for the Bella Bronzer is a brush, the B squared brush. And we're gonna be using the bronzer end of it. And what's so good about it is not only the dome shape of it, but it applies it so naturally, and it just will set in your skin. And so just remember, when applying the bronzer, a little goes a long way, and we can always build from that. So other typical powder bronzers are powders. So ours is different. It's that it's a cream, which is much better for your skin, and especially if you have mature skin. So that's what makes it great. And then also I wanted to show you how you can also apply the bronzer with our Perfector sponge. So you can also do that and just get different coverage, a more even lighter coverage. So I'm going to do one side with the B squared, the bronzer end brush, and the other side with my Perfector sponge. Okay, so you're just gonna tap. We're not gonna be digging in deep, and yeah, it won't come out good. Trust me. So you just tap it. Okay, and we're gonna just do. See how I'm just applying? And can you already see the difference, the warmth, that summer glow that you're getting already? And that is just a little bit. And we're gonna just do a little bit more. Do my nose, my chin. And what's great for the bronzer too, ladies, is if your neck is lighter than your face, applying the bronzer is a game changer. Now my neck is a little red, or always red. So we're just gonna do a little bit so you can see on half what that looks like. Okay, so we've applied half to that face, and now we're gonna go ahead and get the perfector sponge and apply that on the other half. Hold on. Okay, welcome back. My phone was about to die, so I am charging it. All right, we're gonna use the perfector sponge on this side. So this is the side I've already used, lightly applying it with the bronzer B-squared brush. And just a subtle glow. Always add more if you want, but start out light and go from there. So, just tapping it in. And again, we'll start forehead. We're gonna go along the cheeks. We're hitting those high points. To the other half of the cheek. And we will do, I know I have a red neck, but like I said, if your neck is lighter than your face, it's a game changer. You need this. It'll make such a difference. So there you have it. I love how they both went on. And what's great is gonna last so long. That's what's great. And I have that sun glow kissed makeup. It's already chilly here where I am. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me. And you can like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone. Love you. Bye.